Check.
Hey, welcome to MB Companies. And we got a lawnmower running behind us now, so I'm sure you can hear that. Hey, welcome to MB Companies. Today we're going to be highlighting Armor Mechanical, full service plumbing, drain cleaning, pipe fitting, and a millwright division, and also an HVAC division. Today we're going to be focusing on the HVAC division. We got an order to replace 15 rooftop units on a commercial building, and today we're going to be doing 5 of them. You'll see all the action on the crane service, a little bit of hookup, getting rid of them, and just hope you enjoy the video.